Yeah, it impacted how we give our guys an opportunity to impact the game, with our normal rotation. I felt like we had a better opportunity, by using our small lineup, and we had some good stretches with it, but it wasn't enough down the stretch.
Frank, I don't know if you noticed that they showed Darren Collison on the big video board at one point in the third quarter. You did not?
No.
Well, you see, what they do is obviously unusual, in terms of, today's. How long does it take to just learn a team and adjust to, when you see something that high?
Yeah, well, I mean, it's, anytime you see a unique style of play, it takes a little while to figure it out, but it's really not that different than, than what we see with, a lot of teams that have centers that shoot threes. The difference is they have two elite superstar offensive players, that you're trying to figure out how to guard with 5 3-point shooters out there. So it's a challenge. We can be a lot better than we were tonight. We just got to be better.
When they have obviously those two superstars and Westbrook's going off, does that change, or are you still doing the same defense that would you do with two guys?
Yeah, well, we were doubling James, and they were making threes, and Russell was, for the most part, was hitting difficult twos. Again, when the double teams are just leading to threes, you got to pick your poison. And for the most part, he was scoring over length, put bigger defenders on him. But tip your cap to him. He was terrific finishing, making mid-range shots, and get to the basket. So his single coverage, and James is penalizing or punishing the double teams by hitting shooters, and their shooters, punishing them by making threes, was too much for us.
Coach, with the advantage you had with size, it seemed like your team was trying to force the ball a little bit too much to the post, maybe turn the ball over a little bit. Would that be accurate?
Probably the understatement of the year. Yeah, we were terrible with, just like you said, trying to force feed it inside. Getting our spacing right against their post frontals, and just not reading the weak side. That's where most of our turnovers came, and it disrupted our flow.
When you said earlier that just you need to do better, recognizing you haven't watched tape yet or anything like that, what stands out specifically as the things you could have done better in this game?
Oh, we could have guarded Russell better with one-on-one, and we could have gotten to shooters better when we double James. But really, for me, our offensive rhythm was out of sync. We didn't play with a high enough motor. We didn't punish their switching nearly well enough, and we were careless and sloppy with the basketball. And I thought we didn't force just passes, but in the first half in particular, on our drives to the basket, we failed to make the extra pass and play extra pass basketball. All things that we can correct, do better at, the things that we have done better at, and we'll learn from it, and hopefully do better next time we play.
Next.